Today we're playing Subway Surfers new game. Well, not a new game, it's been out for a while. But I decided I would play it. So, here we are. So, I'm running, after a policeman's running at me or something. Think like something about, like Easter edition, so special. So, pretty cool. All new themed, because Easter. I know that was yesterday, but... Okay, so we're gonna play this game. And we are. So, there we go. Caught me. New high score. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Okay, I'm gonna go home. I don't know what this is. Okay, I'm just gonna tap play again. Okay, let's see what this is. Oh, that's interesting. Pretty cool. That's cool. Now I'm on the roof of a train station or something. I guess I gotta collect these coins. Oh, almost got 50. Oh, there we go. Okay, I guess I'm collecting letters too. For clock I have to spell. Okay. Oh, just missed that little jetpack or little bouncy. No. Okay. So it looks like I'm running from the guy. Oh, train. Okay, slide under, jump, jump. Oh, up. Here. There we go. Oh, fun game, fun game. Gotta get on these trains. Jump, jump, jump. Oh god, it's getting fast. Wow, this is fast for me. Oh, here we go, one of those little, yeah. Oh, get the magnet. What does that do? Oh, I hit the train. Well, I think that's a new high score. Okay, so. Okay, new high score. Wow, that's pretty cool, pretty cool. Pretty good, pretty good. Okay, go home. Tap to play, missions. What's a mission? Let's see. Oh, collect the word. What's this? Ah, bronze award, 3 keys. That's pretty cool. I don't know what the keys do, but okay. Well, you're back. Oh, get this little thing. Oh, jetpack! Wow, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. On a jetpack. Okay. Guess it ran out of fuel. Says I have 8 keys. Watch and free super sneakers. Oh wait, I hit add. Okay. Don't. Okay. What is this? What happened? I think I'm in an ad. I didn't want to hit that. I didn't know. I thought, can I skip this or somehow? Or What? What the? Okay. Okay. Well. Oh wait, it's restarting. Oh, okay. So it looks like somehow we are still in. I guess that gave us an extra life or something. Well, I didn't really want to do that, but whatever. Pretty cool. That's cool. Like the bouncy boots or whatever. Oh, there they are. Get these coins. Oh, we got a little. Oh, what happened? Oh, that's cool, cool. Ah! Oh, there we go. Okay. Well, I wonder if we made it past the high score. Did we? I don't think I did. Well, let's me shop. Okay. What's in the shop? Let's see. Okay, well, I'm gonna just hit play again. I think this will be the last round. right behind me. Go up here. Jump. Okay, let's go aside. Oh, well, I like this theme. Whoa, I did that. That's cool. Oh, whoa. I should have went the other way to get those coins. But, whatever. Doesn't really matter that much. I can always get more coins. Whoa. Oh. Okay. Whoa, these are fast. Wow. That was fun. I don't think I beat my high score yet, but maybe we still can. Oh. Whoa, this is really fast. There we go. Oh. Okay. Oh, there we go. Well, I guess that will be the end of this video. Let's just get back. Oh, new high score. We beat the high score. Well, that's the end of this video, and goodbye.